In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find synthetic indices like VIX 75 in Tradingview. Synthetic indices are a valuable tool for traders who want to explore market trends in a simulated, highly controlled environment. These indices, including popular ones like VIX 75 Boom and Crash, offer opportunities for technical analysis and strategy testing without the unpredictability of live financial markets. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to access and analyze these indices using a specialized charting platform. If you're new to Deriv, the platform we'll be using today, you can find a link in the description to sign up and get started. To begin, open your browser on your laptop or phone. Any browser will do, whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or another option. Just pick the one you're comfortable with. Once your browser is open, type in the following address, charts.deriv.com, that's charts.deriv.com. Then press enter. This is the dedicated portal for accessing synthetic indices, such as VIX 75, Boom, and Crash, making it easy to focus on these specific markets. Now, give the platform a moment to load. What you're about to see is an interface designed to replicate the Tradingview experience, but it's tailored specifically for synthetic indices. Once the charting interface is fully loaded, take a look at the top left corner of the chart area. Here, you'll find the symbol search bar. This is where you can search for the specific index you want to view and analyze. Go ahead and click on the symbol search bar. This will open a search window where you can explore different indices. Next, look for the asset class categories and select the one labeled Deriv. This step is important because it filters the results to show only derivative-specific indices, ensuring that you're searching in the right category. Now, in the search field, type the name of the synthetic index you're looking for. For example, you can type VIX 75, Boom 500, or Crash 1000, depending on your interest. Keep in mind, if the index you're searching for doesn't show up immediately, don't worry, try typing a shorter version of the name, like just VIX or Boom, to refine the search results. Once you see the index you're looking for in the results, click on it. This will load the chart for your selected synthetic index. From here, you now have access to the full range of charting tools and features available on the platform. Take some time to explore the tools provided. You'll find options like trend lines, relative strength index or RSI, moving averages, and even zooming functionality. These tools are essential for conducting a detailed technical analysis and identifying potential trading opportunities. Additionally, you can experiment with different time frames to suit your trading style. For example, you might want to switch between a 1-minute chart for short-term analysis or a daily chart for a longer-term perspective. The platform offers plenty of flexibility, allowing you to customize the chart view to meet your specific needs. And that's it. With these steps, you're now ready to find and analyze synthetic indices like VIX 75 on the Deriv charting platform. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.